Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, along with Josh Lieberman. He is the regional manager for Restore Hyper Wellness and Cryotherapy, which is located on HiltonHead, kind of by the Arts Center in that particular area. So been in business about 3 years before COVID. Josh, welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's awesome to be here. Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah. So we were just kind of doing a little pre-interview, and I'm finding it extremely fascinating that this is a national company, business, that is expanding like crazy throughout the country. You're opening 2 a week. So there's obviously a need. So why, again, does someone come to you? What is your purpose?
So Restore, their main mission is to help people do more of what they love to do each and every day. So if we can make, whether it be the smallest impact of, I can get up and down my stairs easier, and so it doesn't have to cause me as much pain, to I'm able to do all the athletics that I used to be able to do, but now I'm 50 versus when I was 25. We're able to offer support through the extensive array of cutting-edge modalities and treatments that we offer.
So is it only for aging people, or is it for anyone?
It could really be for anybody interested in, whether it be just general vitality, I want to just feel better, or I have a certain concern, right? I need to manage my weight, I need to manage my stress, I need to help me with recovering from certain surgeries, or even pre-surgery, right? Getting you ready for surgery.
And you had mentioned preventative, and I was in the healthcare business and public relations for years up in Greenville, and we were kind of in the sick business.
Sure.
We were there as a hospital but I think our whole country is moving more toward the front end, early intervention, prevention, ahead of the game. And so that's why I think it's so important for people to understand businesses like yours.
Yeah. So Restore, and it's funny you mentioned that, another main mission that the CEO of the company, when he first started, was he recognized that it was a sick care model where you had to get sick
and then to get help.
Right. Restore looks at it as more of the proactive measure. I want to provide proactive healing and proactive prevention. And we can do that by looking through what we call hyper wellness. And hyper wellness is something that Restore created. It's a new, innovative type of care that Restore has defined. And what that means is they've broken it down into 9 different things, and those are elements of care. And we can look at it through hydration, oxygen, heat, cold, movement, connection, all these different elements. And Restore believes that those are the roots of everyone's well-being. And so if we can provide nourishment to those different categories and support, we can ultimately bring you to feel better and be better and do more.
Right. Excellent. So first step, someone wants to explore whether this is something that they would want to be involved in. How do they proceed?
So I think the best way and to get the best results is to sit down with one of our team members and do a one-on-one, what we call wellness consultation. And during that consultation, we're going to figure out the why. Why are you here? What motivated you to come in? Is there certain things that you're looking to combat that we can help you with? And through that consultation, shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes to figure all that out, you can be prepared with a plan of care. And that plan of care being, how often should you be here? Which services should you be focusing on? And throughout your time at Restore, that may change. And we can sit down with you again and develop a new plan of care.
So do you actually have a coach? Is that what it's like?
Right. So we'll guide you through. So every visit you come in, we're asking similar questions. How did the last visit go? How did you feel since we've last seen you? And we're modifying and customizing it as we go.
And you were mentioning the team has registered nurses, nutritionists, I would assume, and others that will be your coaches and guide you through this process.
Correct. So the different specialty services that we have, the IVs and the blood tests and things like that we can do are all through our medical team. So medical directors, nurses, and then our skin health team is all about the estheticians, and different body contouring services such as slimmings and tonings and hydrofacials and all sorts of skin
Cryotherapy.
Health. Yes.
We only have 30 seconds, but I'd love to have you come back and talk more about cryotherapy.
Absolutely. It's an invigorating 3 minutes, and it's going to leave you energized, increase your metabolism, making you feel pain-free.
All right. Thank you, Josh. That's very, very interesting. Again, it is called Restore Hyper Wellness and Cryotherapy right here on Hilton Head. Josh Lieberman, our guest today. Thank you,
so
Josh.
Much for having me.